Hello, crafty friends. Thank you for stopping by today again. And happy Valentine. Yeah, happy Valentine Day. Today I'm not gonna make a card on this video because I already made them and I deleted the video by mistakes. So I'm just gonna show you what I made. Sorry about that. So on this one I used two kit from Spellbinders. I used the stencil of the month and the stamp and die of the month for which month was that? November maybe? I don't remember. I'm gonna check, and I'm gonna put on the description below everything. So I use on the stencil I use uh, ink and some paste as well. So I don't know if you can see it properly, but there is some dimension on those lines. And this is for this one I used the cute couple under the umbrella. That was the small die of the month, I think, and an embossing folder of the month, the 2D ones. That is quite cute with a little heart. And that's it. I thought it was fun making the guy almost falling. I used patterning papers to die cut the umbrella and the dress and the legs of both. On this one, I use the same embossing folder. I make the girl dance this time because you can do that. And I die cut the word love on the emboss. Actually, I die cut first, then I embossed all together by keeping the letter inside, and then I pop them up after and color them as well. So I thought will look good. I die cut the little skirt in felt to mimic fabric that, and that's it. Very easy, simple. It took I mean simple. The embossing things wasn't that simple, but it didn't take that long to make. And it was I made a 5x7 because of the big lettering. Now this one I made it for a friend of mine, like completely forgot to give it to her. Sorry, Esther. If you're watching, I'll give you next week. Anyway, I made this card with the large die of the month from Spellbinder, of course. For it was December 2023, and I use a lot of sparkle, glitter, cardstock. I splatter gold and white splatters, and I emboss the embossing folder in black for a nice effect, and I use just the deboss part. So that's all my card, my Valentine cards. Happy Valentine again. Love you all, guys, and thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.